Hi guys, we are going to build a toolbox for my Super Tenere XTZ 1200. We are going to have our video on our We Are Still Driving channel. So I have here a metal toolbox. I bought it for more or less 4 or 5 euros. An ashtray, an iron ashtray. So one of the first step is to put a piece of rubber on the ashtray and put inside our toolbox. Then, as you can see, we have here the ashtray, and that way we have a strong back for our metal toolbox. Then, guys, we have to put the ashtray on the top to close our toolbox. In that way we are going to have this kind of perfect sealed closure of our toolbox. This is the cap we are going to put in that way, and then we have to fix it, and we will see in a while. And then once we have this part, and we have to fix this iron part. Now, hey guys, we have to drill our metal box in that way. We have to use the proper driller. Now we have to make a hole, a double hole in the top of our tin can. In that way, then we can use a rubber to put it and to close the tin can. So one of this one, and we can put it here in that way. Okay, good. Okay guys, now we have to do a couple of holes here to put after the rubber closure on. So a couple of rivets to put then the rubber belt to close the tin can. Oh, you can see here, this is the way that we are going to use to close our toolbox. In that way we are quite sure that also during the travel we are not going to face any trouble for the closure. So as mentioned, a couple of rivets and more or less. So guys, and to finalize our job, a couple of carbon look stickers, and we are going to cover our tin can. So, and this is the job finished. This is the new toolbox for my Super Tenere.